Hi, this is Josie and Josie's Fun Kitchen. In the next few minutes, you're gonna watch a recipe for the red sauce, thick and chunky. And at the end of the video, I hope you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, turn on your notifications and all that. But I'm gonna add some clips of some tidbits of, for example, the type of pot that I use and some things that I did in the recipes that you may have some questions on. But all the information is gonna be in there. So enjoy, thank you. When you're freezing your sauce, if you want, unless you're gonna eat all this, you probably could serve, probably a good 20 servings with this 7-quart pot. Anyway, if you wanna stretch it after you freeze and you thaw it out, and you make it'll still be thick, but use a can of San Marzano tomatoes. San Marzano tomatoes are a must, in my opinion. Thanks again, and please hit the subscribe button. So when I mentioned the type of pot that I have, and I have a Dutch oven, the pot that I used is a 7-quart all-clad copper core Dutch oven pot. If you use a smaller pot, that's okay, just adjust the meat. Or you could just have it really, really thick. When you see me using fennel and I pour it into the palm of my hand, I've measured it so that I can put it in the recipe. It comes out to 2 tablespoons. I got these tools at Williams-Sonoma, and also my pot is from Williams-Sonoma. The link is below in the information page. Thank you again for watching the video and supporting my channel, Josie's Fun Kitchen. Please subscribe and also turn those notifications on so that you can see and get notified when I upload new videos. And there is also a link to the written recipe. Have a great day.